In this video I will be talking about some regular problems that confronts an excellent and professional engineer. It will be about the measured values of your electrical devices you use at work. For example, let's say I have to record the voltage, current and power dissipation of a machine or an equipment, during a laboratory experiment or during testing for the average values of the output, current, power, etc. If you take your measurements from one measuring device always. There are two possible ways you can verify if your measurements are correct. The first is bringing your measuring tool to an equipment calibration center, where your equipment can be tested using the standard SI system to verify the accuracy of the equipment. This costs you a lot of money. The International System of Units or the SI system has been used around the world as the preferred system of units. The answers to whether equipment calibration should be outsourced or done privately are easy to come by. Asking the correct questions is the difficult part. Calibrating your equipment efficiently will help avoid costly or embarrassing surprises later. There are skills and knowledge required to correctly calibrate measuring devices. There is also a certain level of precision required in the equipment used. The second way is what I shall be discussing in this video. In the second way, all you need is to take the same measurements at the same time using 2 or 3 different equipments to verify the accuracy of your measuring device. If the other equipments used have precision values in range of ±5%, the verified equipment is deemed to have correct measurements. The argument may be, it may cost me money to buy the 2 or 3 other devices. You do not need to buy them. You can equally rent those devices for a short period of time, or you can take your devices to that office where you are supposed to rent them, and request to use their devices for a short period of time by setting up everything you needed to accomplish this, at the spot. In this video I shall be using 3 equipments, in which one of them is for accuracy verification and the other 2 are used for the verification. I shall be verifying if the multimeter is measuring correctly. Devices I am going to use in this video. This is a multimeter for measuring current, voltage, resistance and so on. You see a current clamp here, which I will use to measure the current. With a traditional ammeter you would have to galvanically cut many cables in order to be able to carry out measurements. This is easier with the clamp meter. Simply put it around the conductor and measurement is taken. The typical accuracy of commercially available clamp meters is 1% to 5%. If the magnetic flux density is known in addition to the magnitude of the voltage, the current intensity in the conductor under consideration can be calculated. And it is precisely this task that current clamps perform in the conventional sense. Here you see a modified power strip. This makes it easy to measure current passing through the test device without having to cut your device cable. This is also a current clamp, comes together with the multimeter I earlier showed you. With this current clamp one will be able to measure currents whose values range are in amperes and not in micro or milliamperes. These are measuring cables for the connection. Here you have an electrical testing gear used for testing different devices. Using it for function tests you can be able to read out the current, voltage, power consumptions or outputs of a specific device as specified by the device manufacturer. This is one of the device 2. This is a heating device which consumes 800 watts according to the manufacturer's specification. For your attention, please subscribe so that you can be informed anytime I upload a video, and do not forget to click the like button. Come in TV on air signing off. Bye for now.